And gentlemen, just did it repaired a few days ago on a circuit board. That older unit. There's 2 5-ton and 3-ton, 2-story home. A few days later, customer calls me saying there's a leak on the drain, on the ceiling. I come back and I told them, well, first of all, the units don't have drain pans on the bottom, so as you can see there is some type of stain dripping down, so it's gonna find its way down. But he showed me a spot that is not related to the furnace area, so he pointed out more closer towards the beginning of the house on the ceiling. So I said, well, that's weird, let me check it out. And here it is. Here's the answer. Get closer. Freaking rat. It's thirsty. It's trying to find his way out. Or he's trying to drink some water. Or I don't know what's the deal. But, yep, that's it. That's the cause of the leak stain and water damage on that ceiling. A big rat showing away the PVC. So that's the answer. Okay, so there is a rat problem here because you can see there, chewing through the ducts. There's a rat trap. Who knows what else is out here, but that's the problem. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. 20 years. This broke the record. I'll keep you tuned.